Hello you guys, happy Monday. I am so excited. I told you that I wanted to share with you guys how I cut that bar of soap that I made the other day at Pandora, and I'm excited because I am also going to be doing an unboxing. I bought a few things for the soap making and I wanted to share that with you. This is not my first soap. This is actually probably I've done more than 10 soaps. This is my second course, and I've been actually practicing with soaps. It's a long process because once you make them, you have to wait, you have to let them cure for several weeks. So that kind of prolongs the process. So the wait is long. And I hopefully, I was aiming for the summer, but I think it's safe to say that in winter 2026 we'll have the soap line ready for you guys. So with that said, I have some soaps that this is my favorite, orange clove, and I think this scent is actually the one that I'm going to be one of the scents that I'm going to be using for Christmas, for winter 2026. I wanted to share, like I've done this one. It's a mold. This one has no scent, but you know, one of my first soaps. This one is a men bar. It has a little bit of obsidian, and this one is gingerbread. Oh, it smells so good. So yes, I am really ready for Christmas, for winter 2026 with my soap line. So I'm excited. So let's unbox. I'm excited about the unboxing because this is the first time that I am going to be doing an unboxing on a video. Like, of course, I buy a lot, and of course, I do a lot of unboxing, but I'm always desperate, and I always just, as soon as I get it, I open it. And after I have opened it, then I'm like, damn it, I should have, made a video, because I get so many cute things, nice things, you know, toys, girls toys, I guess, and with the candle making. So I don't know, because I'm always desperate, right? So I just want to go ahead and do it, and then I forget. So this is the first unboxing that I'm doing, so I'm excited. Okay. You imagine that this is not actually what I'm expecting? I buy so many things, but this is supposed to be some candle equipments. Soap equipments. And I have a freaking mess here, you guys. There's another box here. If you see that I am not handling this knife properly, I have to say I am very clumsy. So you guys, when you're doing this at home, try to be careful. Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are molds. These are molds, and we're gonna talk about these in a little bit. I am also so excited about reaching 1,000 followers, because I want to be able to do live. I think that would be nice. These are molds, soap molds, and nice, right? I'll explain why these molds in a bit. There's another box, and this is actually, it's the cutting device for the soap. I mean, I bought a cutter, but I didn't wanna use it. I wanted to use a proper thing. So, because what I'm trying to do with this bar of soap that I just made, I feel comfortable on sharing this one with a few friends so they can try it. Because so far I've been trying my soaps myself. I haven't tried it on my family even. I've been trying them myself. I use this one. It's just the regular recipe, palm, olive, a little bit of castor, and coconut. Doesn't smell. Smells like soap, and I'm using this on my face, you guys, and it's been nice. And this one, it also has the same, and all of them, right? So I am trying to incorporate a little bit of chia butter just to make, because I would like my line of soap to be moisturizer, right? So, okay, so that said, here are the cutters. I already got one, but I guess this comes with these cutters. I am so excited, you guys. Look at this one and this one. Oh my goodness. And it comes with molds, the little box with the molds. I already have one, but this is good that I'm gonna have two more. This one we're not gonna use right now. What we are going to use is this. So I don't know how are we going to do it in order for you guys, for you to be able to see. Let's get the soap out first. Okay, so the soap, I wrapped it in, I did this soap last Thursday. I think I should have caught it like on Saturday, but I was away at the cottage, so, and I didn't want to take it. So I was wrapped, once I made it, I wrapped it in here and in the towel, so we preserve the heat for the process. And yeah. So I am going to unbox also my soap. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. Okay, I got it out of the box. I'm so excited, you guys. And we are going to get it out of here. Let's see how we do that. Oh wow. Oh, it smells so good. I tried with this soap. It's a marble. You notice that the other soaps have one color. This is a technique that I learned. Look at this, how beautiful. It has the same, it has a little bit of chia butter because I want to go with the moisturizers soaps in the line of soap. I would like to, I'm aiming to do the cleansing one and a moisturizer one. So this one is it would be moisturizer. The scent that I use is Hexes and Hoes from Candora. It's very sensual, I guess. And then I wanted to do the marble thing. So let me see how we're gonna cut this so you guys can be part of the process. Okay, you guys, so I have placed the soap inside the cutter box. And I am going to start cutting it. Because this side is flat, right? I am going to use the curled cutter, this one, to cut here. The device already has the pre-measure cuts for 1 inch, and we are going to try that. I am so excited. Okay, and then I'm going to use the flat one. Something fell. Oh my goodness, you guys, you don't understand how excited I am. I should probably just do them all and skip one, right? So I hope you guys can see. So this is flat, this is curl. So this is flat, this is curl. So this is flat, this is curl. Oh, it doesn't fit there. Okay. So let's do the flat one. Oops. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Oh. Isn't this cute? Okay, I'm gonna place it back in so I can continue with the rest. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, and then I'm just gonna leave that part there. Okay, so look at this, so cute. I love it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at this, so cute. cute, eh? So cute. For the dyeing, for the color, I use activated charcoal to get this color. So nice, eh? I really like it. I didn't want to dye the other part because I wanted to actually see what color it would come out just with the regular oils. Now I know that I would want to probably for next time add a little color, but this is actually pretty good. Okay, so I'm cutting that last part that came out to be a really solid big block. Okay, and now let's talk a little bit about the soap line. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. I am so proud of myself. So yes, so what I want to do is I want to be able to launch for winter 2026 my soap line. So happy to share this with you guys. I am so excited. And yeah, friends and family, you can be expecting your little sample of soap sample anytime soon. So thank you so much for being here, and I wish you a happy Monday.